Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a video on the Tipcoin, which was brought to my attention yesterday. I did a video on it when it was down here around 5,000, which I'm going to call 5,000, but I think you know that's not the price, but I think you know what that means. But it was brought to my attention then. I already heard about it back in September when on Twitter, I saw Tip everywhere and I thought like, all right, well, that might be interesting, but I never really paid attention to it anymore. Now it's rallying, all right, because they are launching some sort of a friend tag, something here with the access passes, and that's coming the 23rd of October, called Tip Chat, all right? They're doing a full audit, kind of like Stars Arena as well, but obviously that's very big. And Tipcoin has a big community, so it has real potential as well. So that's why it's very bullish. It broke above, I would say, the major resistance level, at least yesterday. I don't think it is anymore. Around 7,000, broke above that, rallied up to 10,000, even spiked up towards the all-time high. I'm not sure if that price was really reached, but around 12,000. So still very bullish. And how so I wanted to do a video on that. I know quite a lot of people from the Cilinix crypto community on Telegram are interested in it. So here we go. Now, it's important to understand the fundamentals first, and I think the fundamentals right now is some sort of usually it's very bullish. Like when such an announcement is, or such news, such a development, such a release is announced, usually the price of the underlying crypto is bullish until it gets launched. All right, so here you can see that that it's launched on the 23rd. I expect Tip to be bullish at least until the 20th. So at least for the 3 days, at least, could be longer. So now that we know those fundamentals, I could be wrong, obviously, but that's just based on my previous experience. So now we can focus on the technicals, all right? And what we're seeing right now with Tip is that the volume is very high. It's around $22 million. Insane increase, but it can increase even more because most of the volume right now is coming from Maxi, BingX, Bitrue, those minor exchanges, right? It's a little bit high risk exchanges. So when it gets listed on bigger exchanges, which I do expect, at least like Gate.io, OKX, Bybit perhaps, those are all bullish catalysts. Those will also bring more volume and more momentum. And right now, technically, like I said, fundamentally, I expect Tipcoin to go up. My main resistance level is around 15,000, but theoretically, after that, it could rally all the way up to 20,000 and 23,000, which are the next psychological and technical levels. But for now, that's just in theory, all right? That's just based on the market cap and how much momentum it has. The main price target is 15,000. So whether it can get there or not, I think relies on how it reacts to 10,000 again. We have already broken above that earlier, but still, we need to get that breakout again. All right, so this is kind of the area in which Tipcoin is stuck. It's going to test $10,000 or $10,000. It's going to test that 10,000 level. I expect it to break above that and rally up to 15,000. And then from there, we'll see again. Depending on the resistance it gets there, it will either rally up higher or it will retrace a little bit more. But this is what I expect. Now, I do want you to know that if Tipcoin is not able to break above that level around 10,000 today or tomorrow or the day afterwards, that's not great, all right? Because now it has that momentum. Now it has that big release coming up, so now it should be bullish. If it's not bullish now, it's just more likely that it will drop at some point of time, all right? Because I do expect it to drop after the launch, just so you know. But that's my take on Tipcoin for now, all right? So if you do have any questions, let me know. I also, if you're new to the channel, I have my own premium group / signal group in which I share my own trades as signals. I'm a profitable trader, and there you also learn how to become a better trader with my trading guides and a traders community. If that sounds interesting, links will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.